Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change permalink in WordPress website. The first thing you want to do once in your WordPress admin dashboard, from the menu option on the left hand corner, from here you're going to scroll down and you're going to hover over settings. Then you're going to select permalinks, and after selecting permalinks you will be redirected to this page. And from here you can quickly scroll down and you will see an example of different permalink structure that you can choose. So whether you want your domain name, then the month and the date, you can select that one if that's how you want your permalink to look. Also, if you would like the post name, so you'll have your domain name then /post, you could select that one. And if you want a custom structure, you can select custom structure right here, and then you can clear this section and type in what you would like to appear. Once you have made your changes, you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and in the bottom left hand corner you're going to tap on Save Changes, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.